listen to this music. It's called tacos. It's Tacos Thursday. Chef Capalbo talking to you. I love my tacos. My teeth not like them, so I'm going to do soft tacos. No hard tacos today. We have the taco chips for salsa, so we'll have salsa, and we'll have salsa and tacos and taco chips on the border. You know, yes, on the border is a good brand. There's Tito's Tacos, no, Cantina Tins, and then we have salsa, and we have we have shredded Mexican style cheese, and we have a tomato. We have a tomato, and I have some red sauce, taco sauce, of course. You must have taco sauce to make tacos. How are you going to make it? I don't know how to make this stuff, right? Wrong. I know how to make any kind. I don't have to make Italian all the time. By the way, it is I, Chef Capalbo. Hi, it's me. I'm making tacos tonight. It is taco dinner tonight. Not Tuesday, but Taco Thursday. Why? Because I want to. That's why. So, you see, we get it all this mixed up. Okay? They told me this meat is 15% grade, is from Stater Brothers, is the best hamburger meat they have, ground beef, whatever you wish to call it. So it's 1 pound. Ooh, it's hot in here. We don't have air conditioning. So we open the window and make some air conditioning. Okay. It's hot. It is really hot. I want to use the hot kind, but Mrs. Capalbo, I don't like a hot. I make it a mild. Okay, I make it a mild. I'm not going to go a mild to make it a mild, but I'm going to make it a mild. So we make it a mild. It's a McCormicks mild taco. All right, what does it say? It says, I hear noises. It says, prep time, 5 minutes. Okay, we're past that. So we can probably kill that now. So, cook time, 10 minutes. Okay, we're definitely past that. Makes 6 tacos. Yes, well, 2 tacos per serving. Sounds good. I don't have 3 people, so it's going to make us 3 tacos each, which is good for me, eh? Okay, so what do? We will need McCormick seasoning, that's what I've got right here. 1 pound of ground beef, that's right there. 3/4 cups water, yeah, we have that. 12 taco shells or flour tortillas, yep, I've got those. And assorted toppings like tomatoes, onions, no potatoes. What am I talking about? No potatoes? No, not potatoes. Tomatoes, onions, cheese, sour cream, I forgot. Fangrovich, I forgot the sour cream. Okay, so I know no sour cream. I do have avocado though. Fresh, ripe avocado. And we have another avocado, not so ripe. We have tomatoes, and we have onion and salt. I can put that in there. Okay, so what do? We brown the meat. Yes, I already did that. Stir in the mix. Wait a minute. Oh, drain. Yes, we must drain it. Then we stir in the mix in the water. Bring to boil, reduce heat, and simmer for 5 minutes. And then we eat. Manja! Okay, so I'll let you look at this one more time. I'm going to put it on hold. Give you some music. Okay, the flame, it is still burning down below. It's good, eh? Yeah, we bring it back up a little here. So I drained out the meat. It's draining over here. Yeah, that's good. So now I need to get the ingredients. Hang on. Alright, So now we drain the meat. And we have the water, 3/4 cup. We have the seasoning. We're ready to go. So now what do? We take this out of the sink and get all the crap off it. There we go. We don't want the grease. We throw that back in there. Throw that in there. Okay. Put in the water. That's it, 3/4 cup. That's all? That doesn't sound right. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I gotta put you on pause for a second. Now I do not have my cameraman, so I have to do this by myself. There's the seasonings, okay? So we put that in there like that. And you're going to make some tacos. They already smell good. Oh wow, they smell real good. Okay, so now we take our mixing spoon with the hole in the middle. We're going to take it up here a little more. Yeah, there we go. Now we're going to mix it up. See the flame down there? See it cooking? Do you see it? Ow! I'm burning myself. No, it's very hot. Okay, so look, then we take it and we mix it all together here. I did not burn myself. I thought to joke with you guys. All right. It says cook to 3 to 5 minutes. So we are going to set the timer, kitchen timer, to 4 minutes. Not 40. No. 0, 4. And start. Okay. Now, you see it's already boiling. That's not good because we haven't even got this all mixed in. So, we get it all mixed in. And we want the orange meat. We don't want it brown. We want it orange, like a pumpkin. Orange means hot. No, it doesn't mean hot, but it means good, you know? You got all them spices mixed in there. Ooh, shooting things all over the place. All right, it's too high. We're going to blow it here. A little there. I don't know what I'm singing. Arriba, 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 ay. Or, you know, like Coco, remember me. When I have to travel far, remember me. No, I don't drive a car. I don't know why I'm singing now, all out of key. But when I'm done mixing this up, remember me. Oh, I think we killed the singer. Sorry. Anyways, so we're here now. We're mixing it all up. Okay, so there's Coco, there's Miguel, and you know, the dog. That's really a ghost or whatever he is. No. He flies. He flies like a pig or something. You know when pigs fly? Yeah. Anyways, back to the dinner. So, we're making this. You know, I got to go to Disneyland the other day. It's fun. It was really fun. Got to ride some rides. Some rides I was pissed off because I wanted to ride them. They didn't have them open, and they didn't give me no nothing. No, you know, you spend $150 to get in, and then the ride doesn't work. What the hell? That's all stupid. I've never ridden Rise of the Resistance. I wanted to ride it, but no. Oh, no, it broke down. Hey, man, come back some other time. What? Cheech and Chong. Anyways, back to this. So, now we have our stuff pretty much mixed up. It looks ready to go. What do? We... okay. Boil for 5 minutes. Okay. Spoon into warm taco shells and serve with desired toppings. Okay, that's it. That's all there is to it. I take a picture when it's done. As you can see, we have the taco shells. We have the avocado. I got to get the shredded cheese, which is over here. I do that now. We're going to the messy kitchen here. Lettuce. Oh, yes, we must have lettuce. We must have lettuce. Orange juice. No, we don't need that. No orange juice. Not for making that, but we do need a tomato. So you have a tomato. Oh, let's mix this up again. It's getting crunchy. We don't want crunchy. I don't want to eat crunchy taco meat. That'd be gross, okay? So we gotta mix it all up there. All right. So we get that there. Okay. We're missing one thing. Queso. Where's the queso? I want some queso. Not bagels. That's what I want right there. Queso. Kobe Jack. We don't have the Mexican style today. We have Kobe Jack. That works for me. And we are going to mix it all up. We have all our ingredients. There you have it right there. And I take pictures. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Mitch's Adventures, because I am Chef Capalbo and I don't run the channel, but Mitch's Adventures does. Anyways, thank you for watching. And ciao, or adios. Bye.